So I'm kicking off a new video series. This year I decided I'm going to chase after my turbine waiver, and this video series is going to outline every step I took along the way. From buying my first plane and my first turbine to setting everything up, the training, flight training. It's going to outline the things that I do to earn my turbine waiver. Basically, from the beginning till I walk off the field with my turbine waiver in hand. I'm not going to filter out any mistakes or anything. It's going to be, real in everything that I do. So if you were wondering how to do it or you wanted to do it, maybe you could see what I did and, learn from my mistakes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. If you do, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you catch any of the updates. So, in case you missed it from the intro or the title of this video, this is the Phoenix model BAE Hawk turbine. It's 70-inch wingspan. And you can see the stickers aren't attached to the plane. So it's something that you have to do if you want to. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this. I kind of like the fact that the stickers aren't attached so that I could always go to Kelly Graphics and maybe she could print me out something a little bit different and cooler. The Swiss thing isn't really kind of doing it for me, but I don't know. We'll see what happens.
I believe these are the lights for the wingtips, the light covers anyway. The air inlet plastic pieces. It's ridiculous, but I actually have no idea how the servo goes in there. Maybe it doesn't, but it looks, I'm sure it does. It's a big old slot right here. I don't know, we'll see. Nice. Finish is really nice. Laminate carbon fiber, reinforced plywood. Got nav lights, large flaps. I like that there's no stickers on here, so I get my own stickers on it. The servo tray is plastic. No damage to any of the surfaces. Yep. There's a thrust tube. These are the ventral fins, I guess you'd call it. Fake pitot tube. And the bottom cover. This is the CG, or balancing supplied equipment, which is nice. And the tank, which I'm not sure how big it is. That might be 2 liters? Not sure. I'll put it in a video. Mountains of hardware. It's got, looks like real quality control horns, maybe. What are these? Got the nice fuel cap that matches the paint. Okay, the brake controller. Nice. Oh, that's tough. That might be all right. It is cold, so maybe it'll loosen up a little bit. It's not too bad. It's not bad. Feels like it's loosening up a bit. Nice. That's not bad. So the fuse is 2 pieces, if you haven't noticed. Let me see down in there now. Let's look down in there. Oh, I thought it would come with the light in the nose, but it don't. Oh, can't say I'm not disappointed. But for, you know, $900, what do you expect, right? It's a good looking plane. Oh, shoot. All right. Something's loose. Canopy looks good. Instrument clusters, kind of neat. So that's it.
So that's it. All put together. Okay, well maybe just thrown together. Yeah, it's pretty big. Bigger than I thought it would be, I guess. I have no idea how to transport this thing.